This video will show you how to calculate an integral using Desmos. So let's look at a problem from the last PQ. Here's the integral from 0 to pi of 4 sine x dx. Right, by hand we integrated and got -4 cosine x, and now we evaluated it from pi and 0 by plugging those values in, and we got an area under the curve of 8 square units. How do you do this using Desmos? Well, it's really easy, right? Here is a blank Desmos screen for graphing. You don't even need to graph to be able to do an integral. If you bring up the keypad, right here under functions, you want to, there's trig, there's stats, you want to go to miscellaneous, and at the bottom there's your integral symbol. Select that. Now put in your boundaries. For this problem we were going from 0 to pi, and you could either find the pi down below or even type pi and it will put it in. Now type in your function, 4 sine of x. Don't forget the dx, and you're done. It actually calculates it for you. Right there, nice and easy, it's 8. So remember, you want to just go to functions, choose miscellaneous, find your integral symbol, put in your boundary, let's say 1 to 2, type in your function, maybe it's x squared this time, and don't forget the dx at the end, and it will evaluate the integral for you.